Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Citi mobile application. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Citibank's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Citibank login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, tap on Sign On. Enter your user ID and password associated with your Citibank's account and then tap on Sign On. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. If you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on Remember User ID. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Citibank's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.